Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm taking the plunge and I'm speaking. This is going to be a full speech video because I do have people complaining that, you know what, music is not going to be all that. But I am doing my best. I promise I'm doing my best to come to you and give you the video experience that you can. As you can tell, my voice is still not 100% and it's sounding pretty weird. So I can speak for minutes at a time before it starts hurting. And yeah. So let's go ahead and do this Happy Mail unboxing fairly quickly. This is coming from Shabby Pink House right here on YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and leave you the link to her channel in the description area below. So, oh my goodness, let's take a look at all the goodies that she sent. First, let me go ahead and put this here. Oh my goodness, I just love this. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh my gosh. Okay, what she is giving me is this Shabby Chic Treasures from Prima. I love it. Oh my gosh, look at this. I love it. Thank you, Christine. And this one is a mailbox. And, ooh, I don't think I have this frame. I've thought about buying this frame. I do have several frames that I need to use on the, mini albums. Yeah. Oh, gosh, I wish I could clone me so that one of me, like the real me, would be crafting all the time and the other me would be taking care of everything else. So, okay, thank you so much for that. And then she sent this. Oh my goodness, let's see what this is. Oh my goodness, look at this, it's so cute. I want to die to this. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me take these. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Okay, look at this purse. Oh, look at the back, it's so pretty. There's something funny about my voice, and I was telling my speech pathologist about this, that if I whisper, like right now, it sounds normal. See, this is my normal whisper. But if I try to talk, this is what I sound. I sound like Minnie Mouse with a hoarse voice. Oh my gosh, look at the bottom of this. Isn't that the cutest thing? And then, oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Seriously, whether it's an SVG file or a die, I love this. And look at the stitching. See that stitching? I love that. Oh my gosh, you gotta tell me where you got this. I just love it. Oh my goodness. And we have here, sorry about the crinkling sound. To me, I love crinkling sound. It's kind of like an ASMR type of thing. But I love it. This is pocket back antibacterial. Let's see. Smells so pretty. Oh, goodness. It smells like roses, like a fresh bouquet of roses. If only we had smell-o-vision. Scratch and sniff. Thank you so much, hon. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Yeah. So Wednesday, I'm gonna be partaking in the Craft Stash Craft Along, which is a a charity event to raise funds for Ukraine. So please be on the lookout for that. Now I'm gonna go live Wednesday at 9:45 is my spot for about 30 minutes, and we'll be doing Craft Stash. Oh, look at this, so pretty. Craft Stash will be doing live giveaways throughout their event, and the event is for 12 hours from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. UK time. time. And so you're going to have to see what that translates to American time or Canadian, wherever you are that you're watching from. And so I'm going on at 9:45 a.m. Central Time on Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. And it's not going to be in this channel. I'm not going to go on in this channel. I'm going to be going on in the Craft Stash channel. Oh, trying to say that fast. Craft Stash. There I go again. Craft Stash channel. Ow, that hurt. I'm gonna go on there live on Wednesday, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave you the link to Craft Stash as well. Okay, I'm losing my voice. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. And it's a shaker. Oh my goodness, it's a shaker. It says, "Hi Sandy, happy Valentine's Day. Love and hugs, Christine." Oh, honey, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. Thank you so much for thinking of me. Look how pretty. All these goodies. And we have one more here. Oh my gosh, look at this. It's so beautiful. I have an entire collection of greeting cards made by Christine throughout the years. And I'm like, one of these days I'm going to do something with them. I know exactly what I want to do with them. As a matter of fact, I just don't have the time. I think this may be a blank. Nope. Oh, and this is a second card. It says, "Hi, Sandy, thinking of you and wishing you a happy birthday and happy Easter." That's right. My birthday is next month in May. May God continue to bless you with healing. You're always in my thoughts and prayers. Love and hugs, Christine, Shabby Pink House. Oh, thank you so much, Christine. Thank you. And this is her stamp, and she always puts these on her makes, and I think that is such a nice thing to do. Yeah, oh, look at that. It's so shabby. Thank you so very much. So yeah, go ahead and check out Christine Shabby Pink House in the link right down there below, and also go ahead and subscribe to Craft Stash and let them know that Sandy sent you, and I will see you once again on Wednesday. Thank you for watching.